Well, as you can see, we've just finished the garage project with Alistair and his team at Garage Flex. This was a really bad concrete shell with nothing in it, and now you can see it's got all of our bikes, the whole family's bikes, a lot of skiing equipment, roof box for the car, loads of sports stuff, and it'll be a gym as well. So incredible transformation. Alistair's team were super helpful to try and get it all the right shape and the right configuration. So overall, a really, really successful project, and with great thanks to the Garage Flex team.